Peace, love, and light. Says is that we're just talking it, we actually living it. Come here. It's a great granddad's day. Just left the forest. Feel a lot peaceful. Kinda wish I could stay, but I kinda wish I can get back so I can get some work done. Because I gotta put up the uploads. Multiple uploads was definitely for you guys on the YouTube and on the Instagram. Let me know how y'all feeling. If I didn't say this, like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification. Probably did, but it's whatever. Just do it. Just do it. But I was gonna say, what really I think the forest taught me is, just kind of remaining calm and just in the blissfulness as far as getting some clarity as far as what strategy or moves I gotta make. That's part of the reason why I really enjoy being in nature. It's very telling, and I feel like it's rather healing as well. Let's just know what we gotta do. Man, oh man. I gotta figure out some things. As far as, set some things up. Because I think things are changing. I think the environment. And I think it's further steps and further signs as far as what we gotta do to further grow in order to make that move. Because I see other things ending, other things leaving. I was just coming as far as the thought of, my biological father, staying with my biological mother, my biological father, they had realized just kidnapped me, busting my door down, tried to tell me they couldn't pay for the place all of a sudden. So basically I was getting evicted, and then for me to live with them over state. I know, bloody awful. And I did go to help, but it was just like they wasn't trying to help. They wasn't genuinely applying solutions and whatnot. Hey, man. So, what I was gonna say is this. I realized it's not even supposed to turn past that way. That's illegal. I'm watching this cop in on this place. Yep. I realized I got as far as just coming to figure out, that my getting no contact from my biological mother, and then just y'all seeing my biological father. He just sitting there trying to bring up and talk about, oh, you just like your mother. I don't talk to that bitch. I have not talked to that bitch in 4 years, over 4 years. I have not seen that bitch. You the only one that keeps communicating with that bitch ass nigga. So what? I'm sorry, I had to finger my thumb over the camera. Sitting there trying to impose fear. I'm not fearful. F that bitch, nigga. He's the only one who's scared. He's like, oh, your mother, she could be coming around the corner. She might be looking for you. What the frick you gonna do? How the frick she get the address, bitch ass nigga? Bitch ass nigga. You wanna tell everybody a frickin' sob story when your junky ass is out of frickin' money, bitch ass nigga. Talking about hoe ass nigga. Hate that bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga addicted to lottery tickets. Your ass drinking now. Yeah, you wasn't drinking before, bitch, but you been drinking for like a year or 2 years. Something like that. Trifling ass. Get the frick out of here, nigga. But this nigga wanna do all that stuff. You feel me? Very, very ridiculous. And I'm just getting real freaking tired. I know I have to leave. I think more things is coming better as far as in the setup, but I most definitely feel that I know I can't stay here long. Gotta make this. Shoot. That's when I was I saw me over there. I saw somebody outside of their place. They didn't have a place to go, so it was just like, yeah. And then I guess they're on the phone trying to find a place to stay. And stuff out in the open. It's just kind of sad. Rather unfortunate, I should say. But hey, that's why I wanted to let y'all know what was being said. But look. So it's like this. Weird ass. But it's just getting kind of desperate. I see desperate attacks, different, some, different desperate moves in order just to get somebody's attention. It's not a productive. I just see a very redundant person, not trying to grow, and I could just care highly less for him. I could care less for him. Uh, and just kind of like getting blamed for like what you call it, having too much stuff in the freezer, man. You got every single thing in the freezer. Got every single thing in the freezer. And because you got everything in the freezer, one time I put something in there. I think I put some water bottles. He had a big problem with that because I had water bottles. He said I was copying. He tried to act like I was copying him. Like, oh, you ain't learned that on the internet. Man, I could care less about this Negro. But yeah, man. That's all I want to say to y'all. But yeah, if y'all want to get with our course, most definitely. It's a marketing course. For those who want to know, you guys got to go with that down in the description box. Only those who are serious. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation? We got the information in the description box. Send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration, or you can just DM us at healingthroughinspiration. If you guys aren't following us there, I don't know why not. We got daily content you dig, post on a regular. Just like the YouTube. We got our American apparel. We got our originally caps, American mini shirts, original forest socks, and one of our kind artwork. So be sure to check that out. Have a great one. Look out for more uploads because we got a lot more content coming. All right, peace, love, and light. Also, just wanted to say something too. Is like, make sure you guys get some sun. Get some fresh air. Cause even though it's still Corona, like don't be fooled by people who out here saying that like you don't need no air or whatever. I'm seeing people everything stacked in their car, but you don't need no air or whatnot. And I wanted to say this too, and I say this express to y'all, because a lot of times too, when I talk about changing environments, a lot of people need to change their environment. Some people they sit in the same town, the same city their whole life, and they ain't never won and never did nothing ever since that. They ain't never been up themselves. I don't really mean nothing, because you've been in the same city your whole time, same time your whole life, and you ain't never did nothing progressive. That might as well just be a death trap, because there ain't nothing to brag on. I mean, that sounds like torture to me. Hey, I'm a person who like to move. I like to be fluid, abundant, you know what I'm saying? The energy is righteous, you dig? Y'all know. And y'all energy is right. That's why y'all connected. That's why y'all link with me. That's why y'all selected this channel. Y'all don't think y'all followed? It was coincidence how you found this channel, how you found my videos? Nah, we in sequence. We in line it. We in line it. Energy right, yo. Peace and love to all my originals, man. American pride.